DVLT stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Datavault stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Especially looking at DVLT, it's just like a bearish market. And on top of it, I've done so much receipts. Like I'm telling you, one receipt, that's it. Not much. But all I'm still sticking to is my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos. So ultimately, yes, called out this sell side beforehand with DVLT. That's the receipt you saw in the Discord. And since then it's delivered, of course. But I had this like lower time frame about it. I also kind of came in clutch. And I'm here to tell you this is still a bearish market for me. And the likelihood that I keep making lower lows is still tough. Well, put it this way. For me to be bullish, the price will have to break about 78 cents. And I'm not going to assume that the bullishness, the price, to start picking up or whatever. So I'll just have like a line pointing towards the downside. Not in a ill-intentioned way or anything. It's just the truth because it's a bearish market. So if you want to stay tuned, if you want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.